On Monday, Iran's Mizan news agency reported that an Iranian court has sentenced 3 more anti-government protesters to death on charges of waging war on God. On Saturday, Iran hanged 2 men for allegedly killing a member of the security forces during nationwide protests that followed the death of 22-year-old Kurdish Iranian woman Mahsa Amini on September 16th, drawing condemnation from the EU, the United States and other Western nations. One of them was a karate champion with several national titles. According to Mizan, the accused are Saleh Mir Hashemi, Majid Kazemi and Saeed Yaghubi. They had been convicted of allegedly killing members of the volunteer Basij militia during anti-government protests in the central city of Isfahan. Mizan reported that the 3 could appeal against their verdicts. The Basij forces affiliated with the elite Revolutionary Guards have been at the forefront of the state clampdown on the protests against the regressive rules in the country. On Monday, Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei signaled that the state has no intention of softening its position, saying in a televised speech that those who set fire to public places have committed treason with no doubt. Under Iran's Islamic law, treason is punishable by death. The ongoing protests are one of the biggest challenges to the clerical leadership since the 1979 revolution, as the demonstrations have drawn support from Iranians from all walks of life and challenged the Islamic Republic's legitimacy by calling for the downfall of its rulers. According to the judiciary, at least 4 people have been hanged since the demonstration started. Last month, Amnesty International said that Iranian authorities are seeking the death penalty for at least 26 others in what it called sham trials designed to intimidate protesters. Activists on social media claimed that 2 other protesters, 22-year-old Mohammad Ghobadlu and 18-year-old Mohammad Borughani, had been transferred to solitary confinement ahead of their execution in the Rajai Shahar prison in Karaj city. On Monday, Pope Francis condemned Iran for using the death penalty on demonstrators. He said, and I quote, "The right to life is also threatened in those places where the death penalty continues to be imposed, as is the case in these days in Iran, following the recent demonstrations demanding greater respect for the dignity of women."
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.